Question. What's the best way to learn about trailer maintenance? Hub grease, axles, how to change tires, car, etc. There's an insane amount of information online. Trailer hubs, trailer wear and tear on hub, hub wear, bearing wear, different grease packing tools. All this stuff is found online. And YouTube is the second most used search engine, second only to Google. And Google owns YouTube. So go onto YouTube if you're a visual learner. We're here watching this on YouTube. And look up trailer maintenance. Look up how often do I service my bearings? How often do I service my trailer bearings? Look these things up. It depends on load mainly. That's the reality. And if you are regularly launching into saltwater, you're going to want to double whatever they recommend. Because salt is not kind to trailers.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.